Morning everybody, and welcome to the day in the life of a yacht broker. Today I have some exciting things happening. I am heading off on the modified aluminium Mumby for a sea trial today, and the wind is going to be at least 15 to 20 knots, I reckon. She's a performance catamaran. She has a working forward cockpit, so all the lines, everything comes back to a forward cockpit. So I look forward to doing a little bit of a video on how that works because I'm pretty intrigued myself. Okay, bye now.
Don't fight the feeling, the feeling. Don't fight the feeling, the feeling. Don't fight the feeling. Don't fight the feeling, the feeling.
So she's just come out of the water, easy haul out. Jamil and his team did an amazing job as always. So they're just scraping off some of the barnacles now, and then they're going to pull her over to the haul out the water blasting bay, and then they will do the hull inspection, and then we get to go sailing.
Don't fight the feeling. Don't fight the feeling.
Now we're in the slings, we're launching the boat. This is the amazing Jamil and his team. And then, yeah, we're back in the water and we head out that way, out through the heads.
Don't fight the feeling. Don't fight the feeling. Don't fight the feeling. Don't fight. Don't fight the feeling. Don't fight. Don't fight the feeling. Don't fight. Don't
So we had an amazing little sail, not long enough for any of our likings. 9.5 knots, maybe 9.8 knots in just under 12 knots of breeze. So yeah, I knew she would sail well, so it's been a lot of fun. Everything went well, so here we go again, and we just have to wait for the survey reports. Great boat to sail. So yeah, I'm heading back to Rebak now.